Flip-flop factories don't want you to know this hack. So guys, check the out. If there a flip-flop breaks like that, do you throw it away? Or you try to use a nail, screw, piece of wire or any other object to try to fix it? You don't need any of that. I'm gonna show you now a very useful and easy way. It's gonna look like new and you won't spend absolutely nothing. And for that folks, go ahead and take any piece of cutlery. Maybe a node or a cheap one. Here's the flip-flop. And as you can see, it's still pretty new because recently I end up breaking it by accident. But the thing is, if you put a nail or a screw here, it would drag on the floor, damage the rubber, and also make noise. And as everybody knows, it's pretty annoying, isn't it? So you really don't need. This is what you do first. Get a piece of cutlery, then go ahead and hit this up until really hot. So now put it there and leave it until it's piping hot. Alright? And like I said, get an old one that you don't use much because this piece, it's gonna get a little messy after death. So make sure to pick one that you don't care about getting it messed up eventually. At this point, you can already turn off the hit, and now you're gonna do the following. Look, grab the flip-flop and let's position the hot 2 right here. Then take this circle and put it over here. And then just put it back together, gluing it back to the flip-flop. Then just try to position it as fast as you can. After that, let's wait a little bit and then I'm gonna show you the result. So guys, here it is a couple of minutes later and look at how we turn it out. You see, it's pretty firm, so it won't come off easily. There will be maybe minor imperfections, but it's quite normal. But with time, any minor imperfections like this will or wear out would use as will be in contact with the floor. But look, it holds perfectly. It doesn't come off. And it fits perfectly back. So that's it folks.